Alright, I've built myself an ArcoLinuxB Leftwm on, yes, on EndeavourOS. So the tool that we provide on ArcoLinuxB.com, build your own ISO, the ArcoLinux tweak tool that we provide to get the spices, well, to get more stuff in, and this ArcoLinux Spices application is part of the ArcoLinux ecosystem. I have now an EndeavourOS which has also access to the ArcoLinux repos and also to the nemesis repo, as you can see. And then the world opens up again. You have an ArcoLinux system, you can do whatever you want to it. I went to the ArcoLinux tweak tool and I installed Leftwm. Now I've built an ISO. So super F7, I have VirtualBox. Can I test out what I created on EndeavourOS, created and tested on this one as well. ArcoLinuxB out, this is the one we've just built. Let's make this bigger. So the machine is set to emulate, and it's a virtual machine, it's a sandbox, emulate UEFI. Open source is good, I mean, there are no drivers necessary. And then we boot up into a virtual machine. This is actually not the best machine in the house, so it takes a few seconds longer. So whatever. This is actually the old ISO building. Not with 18 cores, 16 cores I think. Anyway, so advanced installation or easy installation, depending on what your preference is basically. And we can quit this one so we have the full screen. And now we go ahead and choose our languages. Right, American English, British English, choose something and then next, next, next. Now you can install more desktops, but that's not the point. But the liberty, the freedom is there to add on the fly. Why not install Leftwm together with i3? It's there, right? The possibility is there. That's what I like, freedom of choice during installations already. So voila, we keep on going till we are, for instance, here. You see these things are all changed, right? And you change them if you want or need them. But Brussels is okay for me. Just the keyboard is important for me. Belgian keyboard for my SRT. Then we go for next, erase, blah blah blah. You know the drill. Choose. And then, as you see, well, first of all, VirtualBox works, then loading everything up, and then installing everything. Everything works. So we can build, and that's the point of the video. Yes, you can build an ArcoLinux ISO on EndeavourOS. It was possible months ago, but it was time to just do another test. So yeah, no problem. Enjoy the building. Cheers.